Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I am doing a Shein haul. So this haul is pretty much all kind of homeware. I have like decor, I have some gadgets, I have some other stuff that I can't remember right now, but I'm super excited to share with you guys what I got. If the lighting looks a little bit funny right now, it's actually pretty late in the evening and I never film at this time. It actually feels really weird. I was literally getting ready to take my makeup off, you know, put some pajamas on and kind of settle down for the night. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna film. Why not? So with that being said, my makeup's been on since like 9 o'clock this morning. The hair, let's not talk about it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this haul. Okay, I want to start off with one of my favorites. It's this super adorable pillow. When I saw this, I was like, I need that immediately. Look at it, you guys. How cute is that? I'm obsessed with this. It's so soft. I don't know if you guys can see the material, but it's like a, I don't even know how you describe this. Almost like a Sherpa kind of, I guess. Sorry, there's a loud truck passing by. Hurry up, I'm trying to talk about my pillow. I just had to get it. I think it's gonna look so cute on my bed. They had a couple different colors as well, but you know me, I had to go with the pink. They did have a really pretty beige one, so I believe it was beige where the pink was and then white, or it might have been the opposite of that, but that one was really pretty as well, and I was kind of debating between this one and the beige one. I just thought this was absolutely adorable, especially for like spring and summertime as well. I think it's a great pillow for that, and I love dressing up my bed with like random little pillows like this. I think it's so cute, and it really just adds to your bed and makes it look complete. So yeah, love this. Right, next, this one came in a little box. It's actually a mug. You guys know me, I'm obsessed with mugs. When I saw this one, I had to get it. So I think they call these like pumpkin style mugs. If you can see, like it's kind of shaped like a pumpkin. And I love the color. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's almost like an amber. I don't know what it is about mugs, you guys. There's something about them I love. And it's also kind of something that I collect as well. So every time I see a cute mug, I have to have it. I can't wait to have my coffee in this s'more. Just be like, sipping it. And also it's like super lightweight. There's like nothing to this whatsoever. It's nice and thin. And I'm surprised that this did not break in shipping, because little spoiler alert here, something did break in shipping. But I'm so glad it didn't break because I just love it so much. They had it nicely packaged. Like I said, it came in this box with some bubble wrap, so that definitely helped, I would say. And also, if you're curious, they did have a few different colors. So they had this one, like the amber shade. They had a clear, and then they had a like charcoal color as well. But yeah, I love this. I might go back and get some more. All right, and obviously, like I mentioned, something did break in shipping, which, you know, unfortunately it happens. With the whole shipping process, things are bound to break, and unfortunately, this broke. I'll go ahead and pop a picture up on the screen, but this was a really cute like glass tumbler. I still obviously have the glass and the straw that it came with, but the lid completely broke. Like that was smashed to pieces, and I was so sad because this was actually one of the things that I was like really looking forward to. Obviously I can still use it, like the cup and the straw are completely intact, but unfortunately the lid part is no longer with us. I swear that always happens with the things you're most excited for, I swear. Okay, this next thing, you guys are probably gonna be like, Morgan, you are crazy, but I saw it, I needed it, I thought it was the cutest thing ever. It's probably gonna be really kind of tricky to show, but essentially it's this long pillow that's shaped like a wiener dog. I had to get it. How could I leave this behind? But seriously, how cute is this thing, you guys? And I also thought that Tang would love this as well, and he does. I can't wait to put this on my bed. I think it's gonna look adorable. It's also so soft as well. And as you guys can see, like it has the face and everything. So cute. Honestly, anything that has to do with like dogs, I'm a sucker for. So speaking of dogs, I might as well show this next. This is something I actually picked up for Tang. It might be a little hard to show right now, but I will insert a picture of Tang actually wearing this. But it's little tiny pajamas for your dog. Come on. It is so cute. I love it so much. They did have a bunch of different colors as well. I just went with the black. So Tang is a Shih Tzu. He's about 12 pounds. I went ahead and got a size large, and it fits him perfectly, just in case you guys want to go ahead and get some for your dog as well. I was a little bit worried about the sizing because sometimes it's just hard to tell, but yeah, a large fits a 12-pound Shih Tzu. Great. I know some people think it's silly to dress up your animals, but Tang is a small dog. He's basically like my baby, and he loves his clothing. He really does. So yeah, now he can go to bed in style. Okay, next I went ahead and I picked up this super cute little laundry basket right here. It's actually a decent size as well. I was a little bit worried that it might be super tiny, but this is a pretty good size. Also, it's a little bit misshapen right now just because I took it out of the packaging, but I only have one laundry basket at the moment, so I needed to pick up another one. And when I saw this one with the pink gingham, I was like, yeah, definitely getting that one. This was super cheap. like I said, I needed another laundry basket and it's so cute. Okay, next, this is actually one that I'm really excited about. So right now it might not look like anything special. It's actually one of those makeup bags that like completely open flat. What I'll probably do with this is like insert a clip of me actually using it and showing it. This is the inside here, so it does have some compartments, and then obviously, like I said, it can completely flatten out, so perfect for all your makeup. It's perfect for traveling, and I went ahead and got black because I felt like I'm gonna have my makeup in there anyways. It's probably gonna get dirty. But what I love about this, it's the kind of material that you can just wipe it right off, which is awesome. And you go ahead, you tighten it up, and then you just Velcro it right back up like that. So it's super neat. It's kind of random. It's probably not the most aesthetically pleasing thing in the world, but I just thought it was really neat and super convenient as well, because honestly a lot of my makeup bags that I own, they might be really nice and pretty, but they don't really hold much. They get really, you know, dirty with makeup and all that. So this is honestly the way to go, and this was so cheap, you guys. So yeah, might be like the most boring thing out of the haul, but one of the things that I was most excited for. So I just wanted to show you guys what it actually looks like with makeup inside of it. I just put a few things just to show you. So you open it up like this. Okay, this is really hard to do with one hand. 1 second. But as you can see, you can completely open it up. It gives you so much space in there. Like I said, I only have a few things in there right now just because I wanted to, you know, show you guys. But I think that's so cool. I'm definitely going to use this a ton. All right, and the last few things in my haul are just little. So we'll start with this one right here. I'm sure everybody has seen these by now. So it's the little like silicone grippy thing that sticks on the back of your phone, and you can essentially stick your phone anywhere. Obviously, I had to get mine in pink, of course. So that's what it looks like right there. It has this sticky part at the back here. You just peel that off. And then this is obviously the part that will stick to like a wall or anything like that. I'm gonna have to put it on a phone case, obviously. I don't want to put it on this one, so I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna grab a phone case and we'll test it out. All right, so I just grabbed this one. Let's go ahead and put it on. Okay, now the moment of truth, I'm gonna try to stick it on to this wall. Can you guys see? Oh. Okay, it's definitely not sticking to the wall. Like it kind of is, but then it's just falling. I wonder what else could we try this on, because it's definitely not sticking to this. Let's go try it somewhere else. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try it on this window. Don't mind the patio furniture, it's all covered up right now. But, okay, so it does stick to a window. Let's try with my phone in it. Kind of scared. Okay, so that sticks too. So I guess this really only sticks to windows, which is weird because I've seen people stick these to walls. All right, we'll go through this one kind of fast because it's literally just a lint roller. Obviously, as you can see, it's the cutest lint roller you've ever seen in your life, but I picked this up because I wanted this for my purse. It's super tiny, and I just figured that's gonna be perfect to throw in my bag. And I feel like a lint roller is such a great thing to keep in your purse, and it's not something I really ever thought of until I saw Shein had these like little tiny ones. They did also have like a couple of different designs as well, but obviously, you know, once you take this off, it's just white on the inside, but still cute anyways, still has the cute little pink handle. Okay, last but not least, we have another tiny little item, and again, this is for my purse. So I've never actually had one of these in my life, and I always see people using them. So these are like the portable things for your perfume. So this is what it looks like right here. You can use this on any perfume that you have, and essentially you can turn any perfume that you already have, put it in here, and you have a little kind of mini travel size to go one. I don't even know how this works, but we're gonna go ahead and try it out on this Dossier perfume. Okay, hold on. This came with no instructions. I don't know if I'm just a moron, but I'm gonna have to Google this because I have no idea how to do it. Okay, update. I was being a slight moron. So essentially you just pop the little top off of whatever perfume that you have, and then you take the bottom of it. There's a little tiny hole, and oh, look at that. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm not gonna fill it up all the way, but now you have a little mini perfume. Okay, that is so neat. I'm probably gonna go ahead and pick up a few more of these because I think that's awesome. And what a perfect little thing to keep in your purse. Obviously, instead of carrying something like this around, you can carry this. All right, you guys, so that is actually everything for today's Shein haul. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, if you wanna go ahead and keep up with me inside of YouTube, I do have Instagram and TikTok, and I'll go ahead and link those down below, along with everything that I've shown here today, as always. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.